Partey. Trossard. And Havertz. Gabriel Jesus. Oh, he wasn't necessarily favourite to win that challenge. Lewandowski. Thomas Partey. And Arsenal now find themselves in potentially a dangerous position. Oh, super piece of play. Martin Ødegaard. The fans are shouting, shoot! And a chance, Ødegaard! Couldn't make it 1-0. Maybe not quite warmed up.
Well, that should have been the opener. He has to hit the target from there.
De Jong. Lewandowski now. Joao Felix. Felix. Well, good run and good ball control. And he did what he had to do defensively. Jesus. Havertz. And he's through here. And a goal to open the scoring. A very bright start to this one.
As you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I